After a long break, I'm back with amazing topic phonics. What is phonics for kindergarten? Phonics is a way of teaching children how to read and write. It helps children to hear, identify, and use different sounds that distinguish one word from another in English language. So, it's very simple to understand what is phonics. Written language can be compared to a code. So, knowing the sound of individual letters and how those letters sound when they are combined with help children to decode words as they read. Understanding phonics will also help children to know which letters to use when they are writing words. So, today I brought a basic chart of alphabets and their sounds so that mother can teach their children how to read and how to write with easy methodology and will make their learning fun. So, I hope now we must begin with a very simple chart to learn the sounds of all the 26 alphabets in our English language. So let's begin. A. Alligator. Apple. B. Bat. Ball. C. Cat. Car. D. Dog. Doll. E. Egg. Elephant. F. Fish. Fire. G. Goat. Grapes. H. Hat. Hen. I. Inkpot. Iguana. J. Jug. Jacket. K. Kite. Kangaroo. L. Lamp. Ladybird. M. Mat. Moon. N. Net. Nose. O. Orange. Orangutan. P. Parrot. Peacock. Q. Queen. Quill. R. Rabbit. Rain. S. Star. Caesar. T. Tree. Tub. U. Umbrella. Depends. V. When. Was. W. Whale. Watch. X. Xmas tree. X-ray. Y. Yak. York. Z. Zebra. Zip. I hope the simple starts towards phonics help your child to read and write. Do practice of these sounds while reading. Take your help of parents and start reading.